Hey guys, it's your girl Wella Novee. Thank you guys so much for tuning back to my channel today. OMG guys, before we get into today's video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you're new to my channel. All my returning family members, welcome back. I miss you guys so much. So it's new seasons, new scents guys, so we're going to be getting into some perfume, and I just can't wait to share today's experience with you guys. Again, it's your girl Wella Novee. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button again, and I'm not even going to talk too much. We're just going to go ahead, jump right into our YSL perfume today. Yay, I'm so excited. All right guys, so I'm so excited. I love perfumes. Like when I say I love perfume guys, I have to share my perfume collection with you guys one day, because I love perfumes, especially more in the high-end luxury side. Don't get me wrong, I love all smells, but I do have my personal preference. So right now we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this YSL package that I have here. Okay. Ooh, super cute. Got my YSL. I love it. I'm so excited. Y'all know. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me just share something with you. I love YSL Beauty. Like, oh my gosh. I just love everything about YSL Beauty. I love the packaging. I love everything. Okay. So I'm just going to open this up. Okay, so first we're gonna get into the YSL Libre. Let me tell you guys, this right here, I believe you can look at one of my older videos on my channel with my first impression when I first unboxed this and smelled it. Like when I tell you guys, I did a blind smell, which I had never done before, because of everything that was going on. We were all forced to shop online, so I purchased this online, just by going off of the smell descriptions. And when I tell you, I was like, oh my gosh, blown away. Very hard. Okay, let's give this a little So I'm just gonna give it a little Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm telling you right now, this smells so good. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, seriously, stop it. So this one right here, the Libre, this is like a floral. It says floral fragrance with lavender, orange blossom, and a musk accord. So this right here for me, it smells light enough for summertime, but it also has a nice musk undertone to it that'll make it perfect for November, fall time, September time, Christmas time. It's a very universal smell. I love this. I have the big bottle as well. I blew through that big bottle. Like when I say I ate that bottle up, I ate that bottle up. Like, oh, it smells so good. Like when I say sexy, sensual, boss level, like what? Like, oh my gosh. Like when I say I highly recommend this Libre, like I highly recommend this, guys. Seriously. All right, so next I'm gonna get into this Black Opium. It's the Black Opium Extreme. Now, Black Opium is my it's probably like one of my favorites from YSL, or one of my favorites of all time, period, of all brands. I love the Black Opium. Like, oh my gosh, I will never forget. If you don't really know, I've been in like retail management for years and years. And I'll never forget when they launched the Black Opium. I think it was like Lord & Taylor or something like that, and they launched the Black Opium, and I was like dead smack right there. Like I got it straight out when it came out. This was years ago, and I've been literally hooked. It's been my must have ever since. So this is the intense version, which I am super excited to try out, because YSL Black Opium does have an intense smell to it for me personally. So for it to get more intense, I'm just super excited. Okay, it has texture on it as well, which I could so appreciate. Again, I'm all about details. Anywhere where you can squeeze in details, it's very important. Okay, so this is the Black Opium YSL Intense. And it's textured. You can actually feel this. Again, appreciating the detail. Okay, so let's smell the Intense. Oh my gosh, it's better. It's better. It's better than the original one. They might as well go on ahead and just cancel out that the original YSL Black Opium, because this Intense, I thought it was gonna be strong, like harsh, and all it did was give me more of what I loved about Black Opium. Black Opium Extreme, and I was scared, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I got like a smaller bottle. I didn't really know what the Extreme was gonna be hitting like for me, because I am very feminine, and this right here is no disappointment. Okay, so this is, it's in a white box, so I'm just gonna oh y'all, that Black Opium is hitting, y'all. Oh my gosh, that Black Opium. Yes, this is a unisex. Okay, so this is the first unisex that I'll be sharing on my channel. I'm so excited. So let me open it up. Okay, I am definitely here for, oops, I got makeup on the box, sorry. I'm here for the white box. Let me just go ahead and, ooh, whoa, okay. It is very simple, but the detail is impeccable. And I know that seems weird, but just check it out. And Patchouli Rose. Okay, here we go, y'all. Unisex, here we go. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna spray it. Okay. So guys, you never want to rub your perfume or your cologne. That is the biggest mistake that you can ever do when you spray it onto your body. You're going to mess up the notes and how they layered it. Just think about it if you just layered a cake, right? So say what happens if you just layer it, and you want it to look really pretty, and you want the flavors to be eaten in the way that you layered it. And then say somebody just swaps it around or just mush it all up and eat it. It's kind of defeating the purpose, right? So this is the same thing with perfume and cologne. You want to spray it and you want it to sit. So you're going to smell that first note, which is like the top note. And then you'll start to smell the undertones of the perfume or the cologne. It is very intentional, so you do not want to rub it and mix it all up. So at this moment, I'm just kind of letting the air out so I can kind of give it a chance. Wow. Wow. It is definitely a very sexy, because it smells like a very mature rose, like a sexy rose. And that's crazy, because when you think of rose, you think of rose. This is like a sexy rose, okay? We have the YSL Libre. We have the Black Opium Intense. This Intense is rocking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This rose they made this specifically for me. Like, I need a rose smell that's just so elegant, and it's just, I don't have to do anything else. I don't have to layer it. I don't have to combine it with anything. This is just so perfect. So remember, guys, I highly recommend all these scents. Which one is my favorite throughout all three? I'm gonna have to say the Black Opium Intense is definitely my favorite. Second favorite is going to be Libre, and then it's going to be this one here, the Rouge Velours. But I feel like all three of them, like you need all of three of them in your collection. something I would definitely recommend, something that you're going to wear and somebody's gonna ask, what are you wearing, where'd you get it from? And I mean, come on, we want to smell good for ourselves, but ultimately we want that reaction, right? We want that reaction from people, and that's gonna get it. Those three right there is definitely going to get it for you. I'm just so excited to be able to share today's experience with you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. It's your girl Wella Novee. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. I love you guys. See you soon.